Hi guys, welcome to another Advancing Car Technologies video. Today we've been working on yet another T6 doing folding mirrors. Really nice little upgrade this, really popular. I haven't done one for a while, but again, really popular, works really well. And you get your new folding section of the mirror, keep the original caps, obviously original glass, and your new switch in the door. That's about it, nice and tidy. Works really well. So we'll jump in, show you it all working. Right, so now we're in the car, got the ignition on, so using the new switch with the ignition on, you can just turn the knob up to fold, and the mirrors then fold. Now you can do this at low speeds. I think it's up to about 10 miles an hour. So if you're about to nudge into somewhere near, you're like, oh, it's a bit tight, you can, as you're rolling along, you can fold your mirrors up, twist it back down again, and they fold back down. Now, one thing we do is we code in a comfort feature that enables you to have the keys out of the ignition, van's completely off. We'll open the door to make sure we know it's completely off. And what you can do is you can still use the switch to fold the mirrors, even though we don't get any ignition on. So, windows don't work or anything, but you can still fold your mirrors. Now, we do this because the BCMs in the T6s, they have like a bit of a crossover period where the earlier ones and up to the crossover, I think it's around 16, 17 plate, they don't want to fold on lock, which is irritating, but it's just one of those things, not a lot we can do about it. So that's why we enable this comfort feature. It means you can turn your van off, get out your van, and just before you walk away, flick the switch, they fold, you close the door, lock the van up, and you're all done. So that's about it, really. It's nice and simple feature to have, but it makes your van looks really smart when it's parked up, and also protects your mirrors a bit more. So if you've got a T6 and you want to have folding mirrors, or many of the other products we do for T6s, then get in touch. Go onto the website, or check out some more YouTube videos that we've done, Facebook stuff. We're always working on T6s. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.